Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a gradient text effect on Canva. Now you do need you do need Canva Pro for this, so just a heads up for you guys. Type in your text, go to elements and choose a gradient background. Then you are going to select these three dots, and adjust the transparency. Download this. And you are going to insert it in Canva again. So delete these and add it here. Edit image and remove background. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!